Brian! Oh! For everyone saying I don't have brows, ha! Hi guys, welcome back to Myra Touch of Boo, where I upload a video every single day the month of October. Today I'm looking at my Fall Dramatic Cakey makeup under a microscope because I've had this makeup on all day, y'all. It's been a long, oily, cakey day. Like, I could literally see the cakiness in the mirror. I can't even imagine how it's gonna look with this. I might throw in some brushes here and there, y'all, because I got some really dirty brushes I need to take care of, so I might just do that. If you guys want to see my face zoomed in, literally, with a microscope, just keep on watching. My face right now in a mirror is like extreme. I can't even imagine how it's gonna look in this microscope. Let me know if you guys actually do want to see a Halloween look with a microscope, because that would be really interesting. Maybe something that's like special effects. Huh. I've never done anything like this. Ah! So here I go. Where do I start first? Oh my god! Brian! Oh! This is like right under my nose. Oh my goodness. I am like so embarrassed right now. Oh, my hand. That's my nose. That's a crack of my nose. The fact that I have little hairs.
Are they like actually growing, or they're just...
I don't
like, stuck to your
know.
face?
Let's do the highlight. How do I get it focused? Oh, bitch. That is my cheek. How do I have hair on my cheeks? Oh my god, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips. Oh my god. Wait. What is that? What is that?
It's probably just like a hair that's stuck to your lipstick. Let me see.
I don't see it on me at all. Oh my god, I still don't see it though in person. What the hell is that? Oh my god, I think I just got it. Let's do the brow. Baby, I have brow hairs.
No, you don't.
Look, I actually have brow hair and it looks thick. What the f is that? Wait, what is that? Why does my skin look like it's rotten? Is that all oil? Wait, what are these dots? What are the dots? Oh my god, we're getting close to the eyeshadow. I have hair on my forehead. Oh my god, the first time I see my brow hair is this thick. For everyone saying I don't have brows, ha! What the f is that? No, like for real. Look at that, there's like dots. Is it the brow gel? Wait, is there something moving? What the f was that?
No, don't move it. Don't move it. Look, you see how that's like clumped up on the top right? That's like clumped up on your hair.
Oh my god, you can see the oils too. Why is everything upside down? Like,
Probably because you're holding it upside down. Is that the tip of your nose? Yeah.
Is that a hair on my face? What the hell?
You're like looking for...
I am oily. Extremely. Hold on, let's see the contour. Ah! I'm hairy. Just when I thought I was not hairy. Like, yo, I got straight up blonde hairs. What the hell is that? Is that like a little bubble?
Oh, probably like clumped up makeup.
Oh, I think it's lipstick.
Like the little dot that...
I was scared. Uh-huh. I need to shave. That's how her skin looks close up. Like, oh my god, I'm so in shock. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, you can see my blackheads. Oh my god. Talk about cakey. My nose is the one that looks the worst. Like, no joke. Let me see the tip of my nose. Oh my god, you can see the highlight on my nose. Those are my freaking blackheads covered up for sure. Moment of truth, we're gonna do the lashes. Oh my god, baby, look. This is creepy.
What is that? Your lashes?
Yeah. Is that freaking glue? Oh my god. Wait, let's look at the shadow. Ew! Oh my god. That looks like infected. Oh my god, that's my liner. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, I need to, my eyes? I need to clean up my freaking eyes. Oh my god, I even have hair on my eyelids. Like, how is that even possible? Oh, there comes the brows. My brows are like insane. It's funny because even though like you could see the brow hairs, you can see how sparse they are. They still look really separated. What else do I check out? I feel like I've checked out everything. Let's check my little forehead. Wait, was that a hair? Ew! Oh my god, I have dry shampoo on right now, guys. This is disgusting. I promise you that's dry shampoo. Oh my god, my freaking under eyes. That is insane to me. Look at the highlighter. Like, look at my hairs. I literally have hair on my cheekbones. Whoa. Let's look at this mole. Oh, there it is. It's like a nonad. Oh my god, my nose is the one that has me like shook. That is so... Oh my god, that's in the corner of my nose. That is so disgusting. Ew, I can't believe this. Look at this. Look at all this oil. Should I rub it and see how it looks after? I kind of blended it. Look, now my skin's peeking through. The fact that there's little hairs in there, it's like mind-blowing. Yeah, I dead-ass like blended it right now. That is so nasty. What color is that? Where's the black shadow? Oh my god. Look, baby.
What is that?
My shadow. Just when you think you blended it out, right? Oh my goodness. You don't see that transition? This eyeliner though. Look at my liner, like, why? What is that? I am like shocked. How is there hair on my lips
Get
though?
this little part.
On the corner? Wait, what is that? You can see the little flakes of glitter. All right, first brush, we're gonna look at this one. Oh, wow. That is filthy. How do I even use this on my eyes? That is disgusting. And I literally, what is that pink stuff? You guys, I legit deadass use this brush almost every single day and I have not cleaned it. Ah! Okay, enough with this brush. I'm like so grossed out. It's like insane. That is so weird. Like, look at all of that concealer on the side.
You should do this cup. How it has your lip on the side.
Oh my god, I just did a mukbang, you guys. Let me look at my cup. It has my lip print in it. You could even see the glitter. That is insane. Look at that. My lipstick is on my cup. I mean, I could see it on here, but it's crazier seeing it on here. Oh, wow. That is crazy. You could legit see the glitter. I'm actually gonna use a really dirty sponge. Why does this sponge have hair? Is there hair growing out of the sponge? Is it just little fuzz? It's probably little fuzz, huh? Now we're gonna check out the 3D HD sponge. Definitely a lot cleaner, actually. It's just weird seeing it up close. It's like really, really weird. I know what to use. I have a foundation brush that is a little filthy. Oh my goodness. Oh, she is filthy. I wonder if that all has to be foundation, right? Okay, I think I'm done with the brushes. That is like really, oh my god. Actually, let me do one more. I do like my brows with this sometimes. I can't even look at this anymore. That is so nasty. I think my face is the one that has me the most shook. Like, look at this eyeshadow. Look at my lashes. My eye. Damn, I got no bottom lashes though. That was extreme. I think I'm done. My face is cakey. Like, I could see my face from the mirror that it's cakey. Just looking at under this is insane. I'm actually gonna have my husband do it because this is so shocking.
Well, you can tell I have like little dirt under, you know? Imagine you just see something crawling right now.
Okay.
You could do handsome. I'm sure he has some little fleas.
Nah, he's tired. You can see where you shave your hair. That is so crazy.
It looks like, I don't know, black little wires and shit.
You could see like where your hair is growing out.
Yeah, like you could see the hair going through the skin, like inside the skin, like where it's coming out.
I see. Ah, you have hair growing out of your nonad.
You have tweezers? I wanna
tweeze the hair out?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm f***ing down.
Hold on, let me go for it. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I couldn't grab it.
Oh, but you could see it right there.
Just because you pull the skin. Do this one. Could you grab that one?
What is it?
Yeah. But slowly. Wait.
Hold on. This is crazy.
Slowly do it. Like slowly yank it. You're like shaking.
I know.
Pull it slowly. Wait. You're pulling. Wait.
You said pull it slowly.
Like not even an inch. Any little centimeter like is super huge on here.
Oh my god! Why is it so hard? It looks like a little snake.
I was gonna say.
Do your brows, because I know you have like thick brows. See, my brows didn't look that thick. Look, use my hair. Like, it doesn't compare.
Oh,
Mine's
no
so
way.
sparse.
Like, you could just straight up see through yours and then
Oh
it's just
my god.
What about my nose?
Yeah, do your nose. Ew. Let me see your blackheads. You look oily.
Damn, I feel my freaking face.
All right, you guys, so that basically completes this video. You guys, I literally feel so cakey right now. I'm gonna take my makeup off because it's honestly been such a long day. I've already filmed 3 videos and your girl's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Honestly, I'm so sorry that you guys got to see my cakey face up close and personal. That is disgusting, but it was really interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.